Hop.
Hooray!
Hooray! What letter is this? This is letter?
Orange.
Sorry na.
Ang tawa mo.
Now you write this one or this one or here. Oh, here.
You.
Wow. You follow this one, oh. You follow that one. Okay, you follow. Wow. Another. Next page. Next page. Here. Here. Tara. This one, oh. Follow this one. Ay, siya pa. Gusto ko ka ng hanger.
Ang cat ay doggy. Ate ni. Brother ni. Isa na book.
Brother ba ni?
No.
Unsa din ni?
Ate.
Kani?
Brother.
Oh, brother din. This one, what's this?
Flag.
Flag. This one.
Bella.
Umbrella.
I'm sorry.
This one, what's that name?
No.
What's that? House. That's school. The house. Next page.
No.
Yeah, let's see the next page.
It's like S.
Okay.
Yun na ba isa te?
Wala. Nanto.
Inom na ni ko rasin.
Oh,
Isa
nanto.
kete yung lawas. Mga ginom? Study siya.
Okay, kanina, next page.
Asa ang tambon ako?
Anong to mo? Mama mo to.
Tambon ko. Give ko. Mom.
Oh. Kani, what's this?
Rabbit.
Ne.
Dog.
Dog. How about this one?
Flower.
Flower. This one?
It's a dog.
Huh?
It's like the dog.
Second dog. The food of the dog. This one? This one ba? What's this?
It's for cat.
This one ba? This one. The color green. What's that?
Flag.
Look, it's grass.
Grass.
Okay, next page. Wow.
Guitar.
Guitar. This one is guitar. Who's
You
this? Who's
make-
this?
Ate.
Ate. Nagunsa si ate.
The dance.
Dance din na.
Ano?
Okay. Nagana na siya. Next sing. Si kuya. Nagunsa. Nagunsa si kuya.
Guitar. Guitar.
Guitar. And next page.
Kani. Dog.
What's this? This one. What's this?
House.
This one ba? What's this?
Cloud.
Cloud. Oh, next page. What's this?
Pizza.
How about this one?
It's like the sugar.
Huh?
It's like the it's plate.
Plate.